Welcome to Unit 4, beginning of trigonometry. This tutorial is basically to kind of show you, guide you along all the different buttons that you're going to see as you go through this course. The first thing is basically the introduction to the unit. Very good idea to read this. Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 4. I've put together the following tutorial. So that way this will help you navigate through here. Now, even though this is an online course, all the things that go on in a regular classroom, the student parent handbook and all the rules and how to behave are going to be abided by. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and click here and then go over to the links menu, and it's the first option right there will be the student parent handbook. So you need to make sure that you're aware of all those different things that as far as normal classroom behavior. It's going to be a successful unit, very exciting, a lot of different things that we're going to be doing throughout the course of this unit, so be prepared. If you do have any questions or run into any difficulty whatsoever, feel free to email me. My email address is bbedard@catholicentral.net, and I am also available via Skype at Brian-Bedard. I will have online office hours Monday through Thursday evenings from 8 to 10 p.m. and Sundays from 6 to 10 p.m. You can also send me an email and we can try to schedule a time that works best for both of us if those times don't work for you. Grading. As far as grading is concerned, there's going to be quizzes, there's going to be discussion forums that you're going to have to do, a wiki assignment, a video presentation, assignments in Word, and a final exam that's going to require you to upload some screenshots into a document. But the grading is on a straight point system, and it will be done on Net Shamrock. There will be some grades that will show up into the grading book on this format, on this platform, but Net Shamrock will have everything that you need to know. All right, we'll have all of your grades will be in there. So that's where you want to go as far as if you're concerned what your grade is going to be at a certain point throughout the class. Now, the point value for each assignment is as follows. All right, we've got our coterminal discussion, which is the first thing that you're going to have to do. That's at 10 possible points, and the due date for that is October 13th. As you can see, the next assignment is the sector of a circle quiz, and that is possible 10 points, and that's going to be on October 16th, and so on and so on. The unit final will be worth 86 points. As you can see, that's significantly more than everything else as a final should be, and that is due on November 2nd. All right, these by 11:59 p.m. all these dates are. All right, so be aware of that and have that scheduled out in your planner to make sure that you are aware of when everything is due. Now, the projected work schedule, everything is going to be available at once. So what that means is that you're going to, if you finish Unit 1 on the 11th, you can start Unit 2 right then. If not, I would suggest trying to maintain this schedule to keep pace with the rest of the class. There is some overlapping. As you can see, it ends, Unit 1 ends on the 13th and Unit 2 begins on the 13th. So these are all projected and something that you need to be concerned with. Now, if you look over here, this key right here, that button, you can click that, and if you click that, what shows up is only that particular topic, so you don't have to be distracted with all the other topics that are going on. It allows you to focus a little bit clearer on the task at hand. And if you look at Y radians, question mark, October 10th to 13th, that's the first unit that you're going to need to be concerned with and need to go over. It has the directions of what we want you to do, and then you also have the activities right here. Coterminal angle discussion, learning about degrees and radian angle measures, all those different things. And as you can see, each one of these over here is the units that you're going to be concerned with also, the sections that you're going to be concerned with. And if you click, it separates it into those different activities. So say the last time that you logged in, you already watched the videos about sector of a circle, and you feel like you're ready to do the worksheet, you can go over here and click on the worksheet. You don't have to go all the way through. Now, if you want to go back to be able to view all the topics that we're going to have, you can click that button again, and it brings up every single topic, and you can kind of scroll down and scroll through. One thing that I want to let you know about is this last section right here. Excuse me. The in case you didn't know section. These are videos and tutorials for the topics listed below. If there's additional topics that I failed to cover, email me at bbedard@msu.edu, and I will make sure that it is addressed. One of the things is adding math into Microsoft Word documents, or how do I take a picture of what's on my computer screen. A couple different topics that you are going to need to be able to know how to do in order to complete some of the assignments. So you need to make sure that you're aware of how to do those things. If not, we've got tutorials about those. If there's other topics I haven't addressed, make sure that you let me know so that way I can upload them for everybody in class. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns or are having issues with anything whatsoever, go ahead, shoot me an email as soon as possible. That way